Hello, now we're going to talk about rules of indices, and indices are basically powers, right? So, first of all, I already went through all the kind of blah blah blah, so I just want to go back to business, let's say. So, divide by m 7, 10, 12, 10. So, just first of all, we divide these two, and that gives us 9. Yo, what just happened? Why am I lagging? Yep. Gives us a 9, and then dividing this by this gives us m minus 4, and then minus minus, and because it's going to be like this, it's going to get 2, so it's going to be positive, so it's going to be 8, and 8. So and this could be done like kind of, I guess, like this written. It could, maybe, but yeah, that's kind of how is the final answer. I did it like in the video I watched. And after, let's go on. Where should we do? Okay, let's do this. 4x y t 3 times x y minus 6 10 over a x y minus 2 5. So over here, first of all, we times these two numbers, so 24, and then x times x, that's x squared, then y times y, so that's y5, because this one has an invisible 1, and this by this, t13, and then over here we have 8, so let's straight away do this thing, and that's going to equal to 3, yeah. After we have our x, so x, this one goes away, so x, then I have negative 2, and what's going to happen is negative 2, so 5, so it's going to become y7, yeah, and then after that 13 with the 2t, no, 10 with the 15, no, this 13 with the 5, so 13 minus 5 equals 8, so t5, t8. So yeah, that's the final answer for this one. Now, like, we have to understand that kind of there is this, like, I already did it, showed you, but basically I just want to show you this type of thing, basically. Okay, so let's just go. And also, so let's go with the questions. So let's say we have 16, no, let's say we have 4 minus 1 equals 1, 4. Let's say we have this minus 1, it equals to 1 over 2, which is just 2. Basically, yeah. 2 minus 2 equals 3 over 2 squared equals 9 equals 4. So yeah, that's the final answer. 16, 2 equals square 16, 2, which is a normal square, which is equal to 4. It can be a plus or minus because both equal, yeah. And also this equals 3, 8, 1. I mean, the 1 doesn't matter because it's just a 1, and that equals 2, 16 over 1, 4. Basically, same thing, it's going to be 4. So let's do something a bit more harder. So let's say 9 minus this type of thing. That's going to be 1 over 9 squared. And so that's going to be 1 over squared 9. We can do it. Which is going to be 1 over 3. 4 and 3 over 2 equals square root 2 and a 4 or a 3. So that's going to be 2. So that's going to be so this a normal square root. So 2 and 3 equals 8. However, since it was a negative, it was over 1, so it's 1 over 8. And let's say we have something very hard, like something like this. So first of all, we're gonna do this thing. No, we're gonna. What are we going to do? Oh, we're going to times this. So we're going to times. Oh no, wait. So what it was a full 11, and it was 1 over 9. So it's a fraction and it's a mixed fraction, whatever it's called, and minus 1, 2. And basically what we do, we times these two with 99 plus 1, so it's going to be 100 over 9. 100. 100. Oh my god, 100 over 9, and then minus 1 over 2, and then we like do this to make it positive, and so this is equal to square root, so we square root 9 over 100, and that's equal to this basically, or 10. Like, what's the square root of 9? What's the square root of 100? So yeah, then let's say we have 10 to the power of 6, 1, 3. So we can basically, not all, basically we can times these two, and that's equal to minus 2. Why? Because this is basically 1, so it's like, basically it is 2, so 10 to the power of minus 2 equals 1 over 20, 1 over 10, 2, so 1 over 100, and then last but, oh my god, 9, 1, 2 over 4 minus 1, 2. So in this case, square root 9 over, so 3 over 4 minus 1, 2. So we can, flip it, like we can put it up there. So it's going to be like this, over 1, and then this times this. And since this is square over 2, it's basically 3 times 2, so equals 6. Because like this is equal to 2, and these equal 6. So, and that's all of it.